Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question, that is GATE CSE 2018 question 13. Okay, let us start. So basically here a queue is implemented. Okay, so this is also a linked list based question. Let us start. A queue is implemented using a non-circular singly linked list. Okay, so the queue has a head pointer and a tail pointer. So head pointer, tail pointer, okay, as shown in the figure. Okay, so they gave the figure in the examination. Let n denotes the number of nodes in the list. Okay, number of nodes in the queue. Let nq be the implemented by inserting a node. Okay, so basically NQ and DQ will be the operations. Okay, exactly, I'm getting the idea now. Okay, so NQ is the implementation by inserting a new node at the head. So basically new nodes will be inserted here and the nodes will be deleted from the tail. That's what it is saying, right? Node. And DQ by implementing the deletion at the tail. Wow, that's what exactly it is saying. Okay, so which one of the following is a time complexity of a most time efficient implementation of NQ and DQ? Wow, this is really an interesting question, guys. So to insert a new element, what is the time complexity, guys? So I want to insert a new element. So I created a new node and I will directly linking this to the current head and I will be updating the head to this address, right? Through the new address, right? Yes. So that's quite simple, right? So why we will be having a complexity of a big O of n or big O of n? Hence options C and D are absolutely wrong. So if you want me to write the code for this, so firstly, what we will do, guys, we'll be taking the PTR is our new location. So PTR's next, you will assign a head, okay, and in the head, you will assign PTR. That's it. What's there in that? That's the simple logic, right? Yes. Similarly, when it comes to deletion, okay. So now I got why they gave big O of n and a big O of 1. Okay. So whenever you want to delete some node in a linked list, what you need to have, guys? If it is a singly linked list, remember. So if you want to delete a node, you should have the previous node's address. Okay, so how you can get the previous node's address? There is no previous link, right? Hence, you should traverse to that point. That is the reason why big O of n will be the deletion, guys. So option B will be the answer. Got it? Yes. So if you ask me, so how you can go up to the next element? Okay, so you know the tail address, right? Yes. So take a pointer and move step by step until PTR's next. So PTR's next. Okay, so PTR's next is equals to tail. So once it is equal, you stop there and you update the PTR's next to null, guys. That's it. So once it is done, the link between these two will break. That's it. Got it? Yes. So to search till there, you will be taking n operation. So in the worst case, I am saying. So I think it is also the worst case. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.